What's up, guys? Welcome back to Grand Acad. And I know this is very sudden, but here it is. This is me. It's a very sudden face reveal. But I thought सिर्फ आपके 2 दिन बचे हैं board exams के लिए, so why not give you a little surprise and motivate you as much as I can. But this is a video on what to do in your last 2 days of English preparation. आपका board February 24th को है. I think most of you will be watching this on the 22nd of February. So this is how to use the last 2 days of your preparation and thereby ace your class 12 English exam. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into it. In this video, I'll just present you a very structured approach for success. चाहे तुमने कितना भी पढ़ा हो, कितना ना भी पढ़ा हो, अगर तुम्हारी रिवीजन बची है तो भी एप्लीकेबल है, अगर आपने कुछ भी नहीं पढ़ा तब भी एप्लीकेबल है. So this is what the video is going to be about. So first, let's understand what we have to cover in these 2 days. Number one, and very, very importantly, it's going to take a lot of time. You have to study literature and revise your reading. Okay. Number 2, you have to do your passages, unseen passages and articles. Number 3, you have to prepare your notice, report writing, etc. जो भी आपका writing skills में आने वाला है. And number 4, you have to practice some sample papers and do your revision. So that's the task list at hand. Now, before getting into it, I just want to make you aware of one thing. हम एक Grand Acad का English crash course चला रहे हैं. ये एक 3 घंटे का live class होने वाला है. It's going to be a live crash course on the 23rd of February. अगर आप interested हैं, मैं कोई hard sell नहीं कर रहा. आपको इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं है, बट अगर आप एक नाइस टू हैव चाहते हैं तो आप साइन अप कर सकते हैं. यू कैन गो ऑन द लिंक इन द बायो on an Instagram profile or in the description of this YouTube video or in the comment section, wherever you want. And see, it's a 3-hour live course in which we are covering everything. So we could easily charge rupees 2,000 rupees for this, right? We could easily even price it higher than that because एक दिन पहले हम ये करवा रहे हैं. But you're too special for us, and that's why I've heavily discounted this for you. I'm offering this to you for $399. So if you're into it, please go ahead and click the link in the comments or in the description. Now, some general tips for literature, because I believe कि वो सबसे ज़्यादा important aspect है और सबसे ज़्यादा challenging भी होता है बच्चों के लिए. So, the first tip I can give you is you need to read the chapters, okay? Read them twice if you can, since multiple choice questions can be asked from anywhere. This is something I wrote for the last batch, but for your batch, I want you to know that you have extremely subjective questions. आपके MCQs नहीं आने वाले हैं. But if you decide to give the English literary test in CUET, that's something else. But you need to read them twice. Why? Because the more you read, the more you will understand about the chapter. And the more you understand the chapter and understand things about the chapter, you can answer anything, any subjective question, any long question, okay? Read it twice. If you can, read it thrice. If you can, read it 5 times, man. Doesn't matter. My second tip is you need to watch our animated summaries. Why? Because they will solidify your concepts and store them in your memory. हमने एनिमेशन का यूज़ इसीलिए किया है क्योंकि ये बच्चों को बहुत जल्दी, बहुत क्विकली और बहुत एफिशिएंटली चीज़ें समझा देता है. So, after you're done reading, just go to our playlist and revise everything using our videos. And then you need to look up some MCQs and practice. I know आपके MCQs नहीं आने वाले हैं, and even if they do, it's not like a major chunk of your exam, but MCQs are a wonderful way to know how much you know about the chapter. So, I would really recommend you to go ahead and look up some MCQs on YouTube. We have some uploaded on our channel, or just find some in your in any of the sample books that you're using. I think that should be good because it will help you put whatever you've learned to actual practice. Now, this is what I would recommend for you to study or to revise. 2 दिन है, तो I would say first day should be entirely dedicated to your literature syllabus. Nothing else should be done on this day apart from literature. Remember that literature has the most amount of things to study and to remember and to inculcate. So I want you to dedicate this to literature entirely. Your second day should cover everything else, okay? The unseen passages, the notice writing, the invitations, the article, the reports, the revision. Everything needs to be done on day 2. Remember that this is what I did. I studied for my class 12 English exam in 2 days. I didn't study anything before that, but I still taught my class. And I am right now an honors student of English at one of the best colleges in India. So believe me, this will work because you would have already solidified the most important thing on day 1 itself. And what I want you to do with your leftover time, I hope that आप एकदम रिवाइज कर रहे हो अभी, आप स्टार्ट नहीं कर रहे पढ़ना. अगर आप स्टार्ट कर रहे हो तो उसके लिए मैं कल वीडियो डालूंगा, आप वो देख सकते हो. पर आपके पास अगर लेफ्ट ओवर टाइम है तो आप प्रैक्टिस पेपर्स उठाओ और जितने सॉल्व कर सकते हो अभी से करना शुरू कर दो. जैसे आपने 5 घंटे लिटरेचर पढ़ लिया डे 1 पे, उसके बाद आप 5 घंटे और लगा के आप प्रैक्टिस पेपर्स करो. 5 घंटे आपने डे 2 पे सारा सब कुछ कवर कर लिया, 5 घंटे और लगाओ, 6 घंटे लगाओ, 7 घंटे लगाओ रिविजन करने के बाद. ये आपको बता देगा कि आप कहाँ लैग कर रहे हो. जब आपको पता चल जाएगा कि आप कहाँ लैग कर रहे हो, सपोज आपने आंट जेनिफर स्टाइगर्स के क्वेश्चंस कहीं भी अच्छी तरह नहीं करे हैं और आपने ऑन द फेस ऑफ इट के बहुत अच्छे कर दिए, तो आपको पता चल जाएगा ऑन द फेस ऑफ इट तो बहुत बढ़िया है, बट आंट जेनिफर स्टाइगर्स लैकिंग है. एंड दैट विल हेल्प यू रियलाइज कि ओके, अगर एग्जाम में ये आ गया तो मैं आंसर नहीं कर पाऊंगा. लेकिन अगर आपको एग्जाम से पहले पता चल जाता है, यू हैव अ ग्रेट शॉट एट आंसरिंग वट एवर. एंड दैट्स प्रीटी मच इट. आई जस्ट वॉन्ट यू टू नो दैट आई रियली बिलीव इन ऑल ऑफ यू. एंड इंग्लिश का एग्ज़ाम या फिर कोई भी बोर्ड एग्ज़ाम इतना टफ नहीं आता जितना हमें लगता है. जब मैंने बोर्ड्स दिए थे तो आई ऑल्सो हैड एंग्जाइटीज एंड फियर्स, बट इट ऑल वर्कड आउट एंड आई वॉन्ट टू से दैट इट विल वर्क आउट फॉर यू टू. सो डोंट स्ट्रेस. इफ यू वॉन्ट एनी हेल्प whatsoever, please feel free to join our Telegram at Grand Acad and I'll be there to help you. Till next time, keep winning, you champions, and if you want to join our crash course, link is down there. Bye.